Rich, I'm diving into affiliate marketing with a strong focus on high converting products. What should I do? How did you make your first million online?
Well,
How did you make your first million online?
well, it wasn't easy. I mean, it definitely took some time, because it's something when you first get started, you never really imagine to get to that certain point. But if you have a vision and you really focus on that vision and have a desire to create that outcome, you will get there. It's kind of like that. It's that driving force inside you when you want something so bad. You know what I mean? You just go after it and you just keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. But let me give a little more brass taxes on this. So what's going on with earning our first million? What we did was we kept focusing on more high ticket products, right? Because high ticket products have a higher profit margin and you can get to that first 6 figures and multiply 6 figures by 10, you're up to $1 million, right? And that's how we did it. So when you focus on the higher ticket commissions, higher ticket products, you could earn a lot more commissions a lot faster, okay? And they can multiply to that amount. Unfortunately, if you have a lower price point, it takes longer to get to that first $1,000 a month, right? $5,000 a month, then $10,000 a month. So for us, our commissions were literally at, let's see, like 1,000, 3,000, 10,000. So for our $10,000 sales, well, $10,000 commissions, we did, I mean, if you think about it, at $10,000 commissions, you take 10 of those guys, what do you got? You got $100,000, right? So, and we did well over those 10 sales. I mean, we just completely crushed it, right? And then what we did was when we added adding new offers to that strategy, we started multiplying our income to grow that income to that substantial amount. Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, you have to think about this. Wealthy people, the way they think is, how can we create not just one paycheck, but multiple paychecks, right? Now, don't put your eggs all in one basket. Now, the great thing about like these programs that we're talking about is that there are multiple ways you get paid, right? There's residual, but there's also back end high ticket products as well. So you can, get paid on the back end, but also get paid on the front end and build that residual, which makes a big difference.
It does.
Okay. Just so you know, it makes a really big difference when you're actually, getting paid multiple ways. So you can really add up your income fairly quickly if you really think about it. It's just, it has to be your belief in what you think is possible, right? People say like, oh, guys, I mean, how did you do that? I mean, it's just, we always had the belief, even when there was like zero money being made, we still believed in it, right? So when we earned our first, I don't know, $1,000 online, we still have belief that we could do more, right? When we earned $5,000, we have belief that we could do more. When we earned $10,000, we had the belief that we could do more. And that really carried us to earn over $1 million in sales online, right? Because of that belief factor. If it wasn't for that belief factor, there's no way we would have done it.